quick spin on giveaways.com.
Right here.
What is that?
Get out of here.
What is that? You hear that? I don't know.
Halloween or something. It's like a walk by Halloween. Maybe it's inside of one of your copper bags.
My phone. I was like,
Oh, what?
that was weird.
That's weird.
He wanted out of that popcorn bag.